Hello, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Garden Walk Designer series paper to create this card with the Modern Garden Bundle. For this card, I started off with an 11 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock, scored at 5 1/2. And then I have trimmed off a 1 1/4 piece off the bottom. I'm going to decorate the card using a 4 by 4 piece of Poppy Parade and a 3 7/8 by 3 7/8 piece of the Garden Walk Designer series paper. It's this pretty 6 by 6 paper that is part of the suite, and you have all kinds of color combinations. And then this is a Christmassy paper. I think the flower looks like a poinsettia. You also have the Modern Garden Bundle, which includes the Modern Garden Punch, which I am going to use for the sentiment at the end. And you have these pretty blooming pearls in pink, green, blue, and gold, and this Calypso Coral braided linen trim. Now I'm going to use the Modern Label Punch to punch out I've used the Modern Label Punch to punch this out, and now I'm just going to stamp the sentiment in Garden Green. I'm just going to add it to the right side of the card. And now I'm going to use some of this ribbon from the online exclusives and tie a bow using my bow tire. If you want to learn more about how to tie a bow and create this bow tie helper, you can look at my YouTube channel for the How to Tie a Bow video. This ribbon is a little bit tricky because it has really one side. And so I am twisting the ribbon so that only the front side will show. And I will just use a glue dot to adhere it to the card next to the sentiment. Lastly, I'm just going to include some of these pearls on the card. And there's my Christmas Modern Garden card showing off the Garden Walk Designer Series paper. To receive this card kit, just place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know you would like the Modern Garden card class.